bike that ruled the daily commute is back, and this time it is smarter, sharper, and more stylish than ever. The new 2026 Honda Shine 125 Special Edition is not just an upgrade. It is a complete refresh for riders who want power, comfort, and class in one perfect machine. Bold new design. The 2026 Shine 125 Special Edition comes with a modern look that instantly stands out on the road. The fuel tank has fresh graphics, a premium matte finish, and chrome accents that give it a sporty yet elegant feel. The LED headlamp and sleek body lines make this bike look like it belongs to a higher category. Reliable 125 cubic centimeters engine. Under the tank, Honda keeps its trusted 125 cubic centimeters fuel-efficient engine. It is smooth, low on noise, and strong enough for daily city riding. The throttle response is quick, and gear shifting feels soft and easy. Whether you ride in traffic or on open roads, this engine stays calm and confident. Mileage that saves money. The Shine 125 is famous for its mileage, and the 2026 Special Edition takes it even further. Thanks to improved fuel injection technology, this bike delivers excellent fuel economy, helping riders save money every single day. Comfort for every ride. Honda has focused heavily on comfort this year. The seat is longer and softer, the riding posture is relaxed, and the suspension absorbs bumps smoothly. Even long rides feel light and stress-free. Smart features. This special edition also gets new features like a semi-digital speedometer, side-stand engine cutoff, engine start-stop system, and tubeless tires for better safety and control. Final thoughts. The new 2026 Honda Shine 125 Special Edition is built for riders who want style, reliability, comfort, and fuel savings in one package. It is not just a commuter bike anymore, it is a smart lifestyle upgrade.